Okay, now you must be quiet. Are you finished? Right, let's look at number 9. Oh my goodness. Quickly, please. Yeah. Okay. Right, at number 9. You first had to take out people. Come on. I seriously have so much to do. Quick. You done? Had to take out a common factor of x. So then I'm going to have, in that first term, it was x to the power 3. So now I have x to the power 2. Second term was minus 12x to the power of 2. If I take one of those x's out, it becomes just normal minus 12x. Then the third term was 27x. So I take that x out. So now I just have 27. Okay. Then this bracket now forms a normal trinomial. So I could go and factorize that. Factors of term 1, that x squared, would then be x times x. Yeah.
Ma'am, you said when the third term is a positive, right? The
Yeah.
sign should be the same, but should
Yes.
be a positive there at the bottom, ma'am?
Signs must just be the same. So either both brackets have minuses
Oh.
or both brackets have
Oh,
a
yeah,
plus.
that's negative 12x, that's what
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay, so now factors of term 3, that 27, would be 9 times 3. And we had to get minus 12, so that's why I said minus 9 minus 3. Okay, right, then number 9. You will see that my coefficient here is a minus 4. So I wanted to take out minus 4 as a common factor. If I do that, remember, because we're taking out a negative, all the signs would then change. Right? Do you remember that? Okay, so this minus 4x to the power of 2, I take out minus 4. So now it becomes positive x to the power of 2. Over here, I had a positive 20x. If I divide it by minus 4, it means it becomes a negative 5x. So can you see the sign changed? Right? Then positive 24 divided by that minus 4 gave me a negative 6. So again, sign changed.
So every time you take out the negative, the sign will change.
The signs of everything else is going to change. Yeah. Now, this bracket we see is a normal trinomial. So factors of term 1 would be x times x. And factors of 6 will be either 6 times 1 or 3 times 2. Now, this part is important. Have a look. We said x times x, and then our factors could be 6 times 1 or 3 times 2. Now, I'm just going to show you the two different options. If I were to use the 6 and the 1, remember, we're supposed to get a minus 5x. So then I'm going to say minus 6 plus 1. If I decided I want to use the 3 and the 2, then you'd say minus 3 minus 2. Now, why did I use that and not this? Because at step 3, they said, have a look at the sign of term 3. Okay. This is a negative, which means that my signs must be different. So that is why this one is not going to work, because it's a minus and a minus. Signs are the same. So that is why we use the minus 6 plus 1. Okay, so even though both of those options still gave me this minus 5x, it's because of the signs that I decided we must use that one. You guys get that? Okay, we spoke about that yesterday as well. Now at number 12, we have everything shuffled around. Now when we work with trinomials, we said we always want to start with our x squared, then normal x, and then no x. So what was written here, I basically just shuffled it around to have it in the correct order there. But remember that the sign must go with. So I can't just say 2x squared. I had to say minus 2x squared. Yeah, then it's completely different thing. Okay, so can you see minus 2x squared? And then this is a positive 36x. So positive 36x. And although nothing is written here, it's actually a plus. So positive 26. There we go. Are you guys all fine with that? Okay. Now my next step would be get rid of. Diva?
Vega Botswana. It's their personal best in 10:24. 10:14.